Hi everybody, I'm Sreeranjan. So this is the next part, second part. Okay. So second part of the previous video. So that is making the installation of the Python, Django Python project. Okay. So already we completed part one, installation of the software requirements for this Python Django project. And that, so we installed Python, PyCharm and DBSQLITE. I showed you in the first part. So this is second part in this. So creating a Django project also we have done. Now deployment of this project, we imported this Django project inside the PyCharm community for development. Next development. So the thing left is part 3. In this thing, I'm going to explain the part 3 as a part of a project development, creating the connectivity between front-end business logic, back-end and testing whether it is working or not. So that is the thing we are going to see in this particular video. Okay, this thing we are going to cover. So for that, we need to open the project. So this is the project actually. In that, you can see the virtual environment. So in that, we need to open this particular project name. Connect is the project name. So I'm going to open this. So show more options, click on that. Open folder PyCharm. Okay, I'm going to open that particular project in a PyCharm community. So the project is going to open. You can see that. This PDF also I'm going to include in this. Okay, you can see the video. Yeah, this is the project. You can see here, Connect is the name of the project. App name is App Store. I'm going to open this App Store and Connector. You can see the same name with the folder. So Connector in projects. Okay, you can see that. So you can see the interpreter Python 3.12. You can see that. So if you want to check, you can check here. Open the terminal. You can open the terminal in this case. So we need to run the project at terminal. So from the terminal, you need to run the project. Okay. So just that is going to be uploading. You can see here. Meanwhile, go here and search the interpreter. So you can download any interpreter, whatever you want. So in this, so step one. So step one, we are going to see the step one. Set up the Django project. First name and last name, sure. First name, make sure you will have the Django installed first. If not, you can install the Django. We finished all those things. We created a project. Okay. Pip install Django. Here, Connect is the name of the project. That step is finished. Next step two, create a Django app within your project. Create a name of the Django app. You can see here. The name of the app is App Store. You can see here. App Store is the name of the app. App Store. Okay. Next, the step is, so in the App Store models, I need to copy and paste this. So I'm going to copy this code and paste here on the App Store in the models. Okay. So in the models, in the app, in the particular app, we need to copy this. I'm going to copy and paste here. In the app store models, you can open that, double click on this, paste this. Okay, wait, change. So copy this and paste here. Okay, models. So I'm going to adjust this indentation. So if you press enter, automatically it will be indented. Okay. So indentation, with the indentation it will come. So file, save all, whatever you do the changes, you need to save, click on save. Next step, the fourth step is set up the database apply. So this thing, so first command is make migrations, go to the thing, and here you need to type the make migrations. So Python manage.py, make migrations automatically. No changes recognized. Okay, no problem. So then, so Python manage.py migrate. So just click on this command, enter. So no applied changes in that. So you can able to see the migrations in that case. Okay. So before we do this, we need to add the app in the installed app. So what is that app? App name is what? So app store. So now you need to save all and type the make migrations. So one table is created. You can see in the migrations, one table is created and migrate. Migrate means what? It will create the table. You can see that no changes are there. So double click on this table. Student table is created in this place. Okay. That is the thing. Step 4 is completed. Step 5. So go to the views in the app. In that particularly, you need to copy this code, entire code. From here. And views, in the views, you need to paste this in the views. Okay. So I will show you that. So we missed some of the code from here. So we need to adjust the indentation. I am just copying directly, isn't it? Right. Okay, completely we need to make the indentation. So if you press enter, automatically it will be indented. You can see that. Okay, tab in that. So return is also indented. So from here it must come. Okay, save all. Just click on save all. So that is form is created. So we can see here step. So step, what is this step? Step 5 is completed. Step 6 we are going to start. So in that we need to create the forms. Okay. And at a time I'm going to copy this code in the form. So see here, forms in where App Store. You can see here App Store. In the App Store you need to create a form. Just click on this new Python file forms. In that particular form, you need to paste this. Indentation is must and should. You need to follow this indentation. That is not good. I mean, indentation is not perfect. You don't get the output. Okay. So name, instead of the name, you have to change it as what is equal to name. Okay, next step is, so we are going to create the templates, and so in the templates, in the app inside, templates and app store. So I will show you how to create. So in the app itself, right click on this, go to the new, create a directory, templates. So in the templates, you need to create again app name, app directory, app store. In that, you need to create the HTML file, index file. Okay, so two files we are going to create HTML files. Okay, in that, so copy this code. Copy this code and paste here. Just click on save all. Until here. This code also come. Click on save all. And in that only we need to create the other file. What is that? Create.html, create name. So we will be creating the name with the, in this HTML file we are going to create name. The name, create name. Sorry, create a name. Yeah, same name. With this HTML file, I'm going to create and copy this particular code, whatever we copied. So in this, okay. So save all, click on save all. Next up, what we are supposed to do, we need to configure the URLs in the app code. Okay, URLs. So copy this code. Where you need to go? You need to go inside the URLs in the app URLs. Okay. So where is that? In the app store, go to the URLs. If URLs are not present, so what you are supposed to do, you need to create an app in the URLs in this. So create URLs. Then double click on this, paste this. Okay, save all. Just click on save all. Okay. Next step is go to the URLs in the project. Go to the URLs in the project. Then you need to include this. Okay. So where in the project? Just now we have done in the where we have done this particular thing in the app store, isn't it? In the app. Now we are going to do this same thing in the app store. Double time we got. Let's copy this. Click on save all. Okay, right. So open this and go to the and we need to run. Okay, so before we do that, we got some error in this. Why we are getting this error? Student lab. What is the name? Student. What is the name of the table? Names. Yeah, so in the models, what is the name of the table? Student. So it is not capital S, student. So now what we are supposed to do? Use the form, split the form. Now we don't have any errors. We can see that. Now just what we are supposed to do, we need to run the thing, okay? So first thing, so first we need to run this Python manage.py run server, okay? So Python, before we do this, so just open the database, DBSQLITE, right click on this, copy path reference, copy absolute path, open the database. We can check the values inside. So you can see this database is empty. Open database and paste the path and open. You can see tables are created. Okay, browse data in that. So what is this? App Store is the name of the app in that. Particularly, student is the name. You can see ID and first name and last name is. You can able to see that first name and last name. Okay. Just one second. I want to show you the values we can enter into this. Okay. Just run server. Just click on this. It opens in the new browser. Default browser, it opens in the default browser, isn't it? So I'm going to open in the Chrome. That browse data, you can see the ID, first name, last name is created, app name and student is the app name. Okay, in that, I open the new tab. Now click on this link. Automatically it opens in the new tab in the Chrome browser. In your default browser, web browser, whatever you select the default browser, it opens in that. Okay, I'm going to close this. Yeah, you can see here names list. Just click on add name. Add name is I'm going to add the name in this. Cannot access local form where it is not located. Yeah. So I'm going to enter my name. See here, the last name. Click on submit. So automatically the name will be displayed like this. So we can see the name. So the same thing I want to show here in the desktop, in the background. Okay, that is database. So in the database, you can able to see that. So I'm going to add one more. You can see that. So just click on refresh. That is going to display on the front end event. So you can check in the database. like this. Okay. So this is the project. Okay. Just now I showed one connectivity between the front end, back end, and business logic. So you can copy all these things. You can do it yourself. So this is the way you need to do. I'm going to attach this PDF also along with this video. Okay. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye.